Howdy ho, bitches! Welcome to another episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what the fuck's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or maybe whose box it might have even come out of. But before we get to unboxing, let's get uncanny with a can of glorious Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. That's fucking great. This is a long time coming, this unboxing. Almost 4 years. I bought this item about 4 years ago and immediately misplaced it until today. 3.5, 4 years, somewhere in that era. I don't remember exactly when I bought it, but yeah. So here we go. It's a cardboard box, 13 inches by 14.5 inches by 5 inches, and it weighs about 12.5 pounds. When you shake it, sounds like that. Got black and red colors in a picture and words. It looks like this. Oh, for all you barcode hounds, there's a barcode for you. Have at her. Why are you even reading this? Open it already. What, did it actually say that? I don't think so. Oh, but on the front. Uno Casa enameled cast iron casserole dish. 3.7 QT. There you go. How could you misplace a big box like this? Well, ask me in the comment below where it was hiding, and I will tell you. But I'm going to move my Coca-Cola out of the way. Drink up, buttercup. Holy fuck, I almost fell over. I am high as fuck. What we got going on here today is this. Grounded, high dose. Yummy, I recommend this very much. So, let's open this bitch up. There's your flap box asthma. You got a flappy box. Let's get some asthma. Ooh. Heavy. Ah, a lid. Lid yourself over here. A thing. A vessel. A vessel! A nuclear vessel. Look, the box is empty. We'll turf it over here. Plastic bag. Silicone carrying for your enameled cast iron cookware. Hello, I've got mail. Looks like this. Lid. Lidez-vous. there you go, bitch nuts. That's what I'm unboxing today. Uno Casa casserole fucking thing. And I have exactly the perfect thing I'm gonna fucking cook in this. Whoa. Oh. Silicone. It's okay. It's alright. Alright. It's okay. For picking up a voo. Trivet to land on. Bingo fucking zingo. Woo. Where's my pop? Alright. Until the next glorious unboxing. And if you want to know where it was, ask. If not, fuck off. Whoa.